Are you tired of struggling with your finances? Do you wish you had more abundance and prosperity in your life? Then it's time to start using the power of the law of attraction to manifest wealth and abundance. One of the most powerful ways to attract wealth is by using I am affirmations. These affirmations work by helping you focus your thoughts, beliefs, and energy on abundance and prosperity. Repeat these affirmations often to shift your mindset and attract abundance into your life. Here are some powerful I am affirmations you can use. Let's begin. I am worthy of abundance. I am attracting wealth and prosperity into my life. I am grateful for all the abundance in my life, and more is coming. I am open to receiving all the abundance the universe has to offer. I am attracting wealth every day. I am worthy of receiving abundance. I am open to receiving money and prosperity. I am a magnet for financial success. I am grateful for the money and wealth in my life. I am confident in my ability to attract money. I am deserving of financial freedom. I am capable of creating wealth and prosperity. I am surrounded by abundance. I am successful in all areas of my life, including my finances. I am a master of wealth accumulation. I am attracting money effortlessly. I am living a life of abundance and prosperity. I am attracting money from multiple sources. I am making wise financial decisions. I am financially independent. I am manifesting the money and wealth I desire. I am abundant in all areas of my life. I am living my dream life with financial freedom. I am grateful for the abundance and prosperity in my life. Remember, the key to manifesting abundance is to focus your thoughts, beliefs, and energy on what you want, and be open to receiving it. Now let's begin meditation. Relax your mind in complete silence for the next few minutes.